Happy Monday! We are still in Cebu. Yan, ayan yung fort of Cebu at the left side, my left side, Radisson. At the right side is SM Cebu. Yan, under construction siya. National University yata yung building na yun, and siguro stores. Before dito sa parking space. Terminal, bus terminal. Going to Tabuno, Danao, and so many others. And this one yung for SMC side. Radisson, parking, yan. See you Manila in a while and back to Bulacan later. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.